when people share files with you, you're going to have to go to Shared with Me on the left side to find the files. And then if you need to work on these files, we're actually going to have to add them to our drive. So here we just have a file, Algebra Desmos. It's in my Shared with Me. To add it to my drive, I'm going to right-click on the file, go to Add to My Drive, and now you'll notice here it says Organize. Adding it to your drive is not going to put it in a folder. So if you have a folder already in mind that you want this in, click on Organize, and here I can go to Geometry Period 2, and I can add it to that folder. So I'm going to say move it here. So it's going to move it from Shared with Me into my folder. Now that it's in there, I can work on the actual file and be able to make changes or updates as needed.